Hello, everyone. My name is Jacob Deininger, one of the librarians at Cape Fear Community College. And just wanted to show you guys today how to move documents from the ProQuest Central database into your Google Drive account. Okay. So the most important thing is to start with being logged into your campus email. Okay. So it can recognize your Google Drive. So I'm starting on the My CFCC page. Right here under email, you can click onto that and it'll open up your campus inbox. Okay. Once you've done that, you're good to go. Okay. It's going to recognize your email account. And then right here under Google Apps, you will see the shortcut for Google Drive, so you can always get into there whenever you want when you're in your email account. Okay. And so I'll show you another way to get in there too once we've done our searches. Okay. So you're good there. Now I'm going to go to this next tab, and I've already opened up the research guide for you guys class, EDU 188. You can get here a bunch of different ways. You can Google this guide up. You can also just go to the library site and you can click through the links to get to this research guide. The most important thing here on this guide that we're going to be searching for today is the database ProQuest Central. This is a great place to go to find any kind of article you want to on whatever subject you're looking for. Okay. If you are looking for articles from a specific journal, like say you need to find articles specifically from the journal Young Children, or you just want to see what they have, you can click on Journal Finder and you can use that resource to look in a specific journal. But today we're going to search just by topic. Okay, so I'm going to click into ProQuest Central. Oops, do an advanced search. And it's remembering my previous search here. So I'm going to do a search for tantrum. I want to go ahead, instead of having that be anywhere in the document, I want to go ahead and have that in the title of my document. Okay, so hopefully it's a little more focused on the subject I'm looking for. And I want to include also the word child in here with a shift 8 after it. That's a little asterisk. And what that does is that tells the database that I want to find not only things that have the word child in them, but anything after the D. So child, childs, children, childhood, that kind of thing. And I'll just keep that as anywhere in the document. It already defaults to full text, so everything's going to be full text that you're going to find in ProQuest Central. And then publication date, you can limit right over here. And generally, your instructor wants stuff from the last year or so. So I'm going to say, just give me stuff from the last 12 months. Okay. So once I got all that in there, got my search terms, limiting by date, I can go ahead and do my search. All right. So that gets me about 200 or so results here, plenty of articles. It's ranked by relevance like a Google search. And so you kind of scroll through these results and see which ones are of most interest to you. And whatever I find on here, I can click on the full text link, take a look at the article, read through it quickly. Since these ones are current, they're mostly going to be newspaper articles. They won't be super long. And then once you read through it and you decide you want it, you can go over here to your export options. So the popular ones are showing. I got citations, so it'll create citations for you in MLA or APA style, which is really handy. Also, you can email it to yourself, print it, that kind of thing. Also, you have hiding here under all options are your cloud saving options. So you can click on all options and you'll see all these popular ones I just showed you, but you also have a few other ones, including cloud saving, including your Google Drive. So when you click on this, you're telling it to send this document to your Google Drive account. And since I already logged in to my campus email, it will recognize it and say, yep, I went ahead and saved that to your Google Drive account. Good to go. If this is the first time that you're doing this, it may ask for permissions. So just go ahead and say, okay, that's fine. You can go ahead and access my Google Drive, put it in there. So you have two options at this point. You can click on Google Drive and it'll take you right to your Google Drive account and you can look at that article in there. Or if you want to put some more into there, you can go ahead and close that and you can go back to your results and just keep doing this exact same process. Full text option, click on all options, save to the Google Drive account. Okay. So I'm going to go into Google Drive to show you what that looks like. Okay. So here's my file that I went ahead and uploaded. This is the most recent one. And then also, as you notice right here, creates a folder for me called ProQuest. All right. Now, you can talk to your instructor if you want to rename that folder at some point, but I want to show you how to share that with your instructor. So you're just going to right click over top of the folder, and then you're just going to go ahead and click on the second option here. It says share. Okay. And so then you just go ahead right here in this box, type in your instructor's name, Marie. So there she is, and the default is editor, and so it's going to go ahead and automatically share it with her. And so you can click on send, and then she'll get a notification that you've shared this folder with her, and anything you put into the folder going forward will also be shared with her. Okay, and that should take care of all that access. Okay, so I'm just going to click on cancel, so I'm not going to share that with her just right now. Okay, but you get the idea. All right, so that's basically all you have to do to get it into your Google Drive account. I'm going to go back to the tab here for the portfolio assignment. So again, you have options here to keep going and doing your searches. And then if you have any questions about how to use these resources, you can go ahead and email me. I got my contact information here, phone number, and also live chat. Okay, good luck.